Hey guys, what's happening? How to unhide hidden or locked chat on WhatsApp. So go ahead and open up your WhatsApp and go to the locked chat and confirm via facial recognition. And as you can see, I've hidden or locked this chat, right? So if I wanted to unlock it or unhide it, I'm gonna just hold, right? And then simply what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go in unhide or unlock, excuse me, right? And confirm via facial recognition. And as you can see, now I unlocked or unhide this chat. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.